purpose of this short training video is to show you the steps of using dropshipping. This function will shortly be released, and we wanted to make sure you understand how to use it and the purpose for it. With the launch of the new sales performance plan, there's a lot of focus on direct customer sales volume, DCSV, and we recognize that some affiliates will order products on their own account but ship it directly to their customer as they have done in the past. Currently, this will not count as DCSV because the order was placed on your own ID number. Now, with dropshipping, you can continue to order on your own ID number, ship it directly to the customer, and by choosing dropship at checkout, you will be able to count the points towards your DCSV requirements. So in this case, you can see here that my customer has ordered a ageLOC TrueFace Essence Ultra and directly with me. I have now logged onto my account and added the product to my cart. Once I proceed to checkout, I now need to add my customer's information. So you can see here as shipping information, this is my address, and therefore dropship will not be available. Now, for the purpose of this recording, I've already added my customer's details. You can see here that it's in the name of my customer, their address, it will have their phone number and email address. And as soon as I've chosen their address or added it, dropship will be available to choose. With dropshipping, they can still have it as a home delivery or as pickup point. And then as soon as I've chosen where I want it to be delivered and completed the payment, placed my order, I will receive the confirmation and the points, the DCSV, will count towards me. Now, a few things to remember. As I mentioned, now these orders will count as DCSV towards you. The name, the address, the email address, and the phone number must be that of the customers. Unfortunately, this will not be available in Italy and France due to local legislation and is only available on single orders, so you cannot create an ADR with dropship. Dropshipping is only available in your own market, meaning that only in the market that you've registered will you have the functionality of choosing dropship. You cannot do it in a market where you're not registered. And then very important, make sure to give the retail customer a receipt, and if you can, also the order number in case they need to contact customer services at a later stage. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer services team.